everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. So this is my last unboxing for today, which is a shoe, Fila shoe. So I bought it from Amazon. I've got it for a very good discount. I have got it for almost 70 to 80% off on the shoe. I really liked it. Let's see the shoe, how it actually looks. And thank you so much for your love and support. If you guys still not yet subscribed, I'm sorry I make it very obvious. I repeat every time because I really want your love and support so I can reach 1 lakh subscribers and get a silver play button. So it will happen only because of you guys and for your support. Thank you so much for love and support for people who have subscribed and helped me in reaching 48,000 subscribers. And for the new viewers, please do subscribe and let me know, help me in reaching my target, which is of 1 lakh subscribers. So let's open the box. So this is how it's gonna look. Wow, the box looks very catchy, and this actual price is 3,299, and I got it for 1,000 rupees, almost 2,300. I have saved it. It's time to unbox and show you. And so here comes the shoe. This is one, and another one is over here. So the shoe looks very cool and it's eye catchy. The black and white combination is really good. So let me just show you how it's gonna look. I bought it from my size, which is 8, UK India 8 size. So you can see, guys, the brand, the name of the shoe, the brand name, and the tag, clearance section, I think. So this is very nice, and I think I have made a very good choice of buying this. I have one more shoe coming from Nike, which will be delivered by next week. So I'm gonna make the unboxing. Both look similar, but this is from Fila and that is from Nike. So that's it. Thank you so much for your love and support. It was just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna wear this definitely and check. And I'm gonna make a review video also, how it's gonna feel and look. And this specialty has some other special foam. This is the one which will give you a very good comfort for running and other things. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have to just wear it and try it. Thank you for your love and support. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.